What's up, bro? What'd you say, bro?
Good morning.
You wear sunglasses on in the morning.
It's only, see, this is the first year we started doing these morning meets.
Yeah.
And I actually like them.
I like them too. You know why we like them? Because we're 30 plus. So this is the only guy that decided to show up today. Nah, we brought the other daily, bro. Where is he? You're gonna make a little video. Say hello to the camera. I'm a Stradpole.
That's actually pretty cool.
Brampton edition. Oh man, how you doing?
How are you?
What's going on, bro? I thought I'd go get a bagel, you know?
Yes, sir. Yes. Oh my lord.
Oh yes, so bringing the GT out like it's a Mustang GT. Sweet, bro. Got the full throttle media guys with all their setup. That's cool. Awesome.
Nice, yeah.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Got the coffee going?
He got the gas for the GT and the gas for himself. Acro exhaust. One tail light.
Why are you calling me out like my tail light?
We're YouTubers now, we have to. Look, you can see the fans. That's crazy. That's wild, bro. I'm just eating my bagel. C63 is there. We are media cars today. So these guys came from Winnipeg. They're called Full Throttle. They make media and stuff, so we're gonna get some media shots of the cars and whatnot too. So it's pretty cool. All right, so we're ready for the GT. My buddy over here, Mr. Baloo, does not want to be on camera, so we are gonna keep him as the cameraman for the other shots that we take.
You.
We got the Throttle House guys or whatever it is.
Full throttle.
Full Throttle, sorry guys, not Throttle House. From Winnipeg. Now he's got to raise the car back up. Alright, so these guys are recording us. I'm recording them. I think they're trying to take some photos. So these guys cruising down with the GT in the front. Kali. We're just in the poor man C63S. Oh shit, sorry bro, but you can go for a second. Okay. Oh, lane's ending a little bit. 10 minutes away, and then we'll pull up. I'll probably just pull up to the side somewhere and then go walk in. It's easier rather than going into the whole crowd. Look at this guy, look at this guy.
Well, B-Paul's in the bathroom. It's like a whole dozy session going on here with the Barat.
A little fun story. So we got separated from the GT for a couple minutes. I'm not gonna get into the specifics, but
a quick Barat.
you know, all I'm gonna say is I had to go use the bathroom, and it's a long weekend and every single bathroom is closed downtown. So here I was running around chasing and figuring out where a bathroom would be. So I went underground and came back up. All the restaurants are closed, and then I found a Starbucks and I went to the bathroom there. My goodness, that was tough. We are officially here. We're gonna go to the roof right now. Someone's alarm's going off right now. Parked up, good to go. An STO with the dog. Yeah. Woo. It's a beautiful car. And there's another STO. Damn. It's a new M5. So we parked at the second level below. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. That's a new M5, and then the supercars are up there. A lot of cars rolling in, but we didn't want to park where the supercars are. It doesn't make sense when we look like we just came from a skiing trip, you know. All right, guys, we are here. Look at all these cars, beautiful McLarens, 570s, R8s. You got 911s. R8s, more R8s and McLarens. GT4 RS. That's beautiful right there. Oh, that's a nice color, yo.
Gengar.
God damn.
Gengar right there in the windshield.
I know. I saw that. Race 3. 9K NA, GT3 RS. Porsche. GT3. Let's check this one out, yeah. Very nice. Look at that interior. 4.0. So it's not 3.8. Nice. Look at that Urus, bro. God damn. God damn. That's nice. That's my type of style right there. I love it. I love the way the thing is slack. Woo! That sounds nice right there. The car spotter guys are probably gonna have an orgasm right now. So this is the new, that's the old. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of the old school type of vibe guy, you know? Yeah. This is very angly and, but yo, the color is beautiful. But Mercy is always gonna be timeless, you know? And obviously you got the Ford GTs parked over there. I've actually never seen that paint scheme, yo. That's crazy. Beautiful. Low-key rare car. We had a little thumbnail for the Mercy and the Revuelto though. All these Aventadors, Ferraris, and this is what has my heart. Oh, another Revuelto. That's a nice color though. God damn. Yo, that's a nice color right there.
Something different, right?
Yeah, that's something different. He's on electric mode. Wow, that's nice. I mean, is he on electric mode?
I don't
like
really
it,
know
yeah.
too much about Revueltos.
Okay.
I canceled my order.
Yeah. You canceled your order?
Yes, sir.
This is what happens when you have an SVJ. You can't get rid of that noise.
No, I would have kept this. We did.
No, I know, but I'm saying the SVJ, the naturally aspirated engines are different, man. A lot of Porsches
I
here,
feel
bro.
like the Revuelto would be too comfortable of a car.
You think so?
Yeah, way too comfortable.
Yeah, you do need discomfort for like an exotic supercar, though.
Yeah.
You're right. It's half the fun, to be honest. He got a sweater. It's not Jamaica here.
It's not Jamaica here.
It's not Jamaica here. he came in, guns flashing. He retreated real quick.
Did the Revuelto find parking or no?
Yeah. Go help him find parking,
No,
bro.
man, no.
You're the
I told him it's full.
You're the
I'm like,
Revuelto chauffeur.
you're not
Get on though, unless you're playing with him.
The McLaren, but check out the seats. Senna seats, boys. God damn. That's a nice spec. Yo, you would not like this, eh? You would be uncomfortable in about 10 minutes, not even 30. That's beautiful. Full carbon too. So beautiful.
This is probably worse than riding a bike.
Surprisingly, from what I've heard, is as these seats are actually not uncomfortable. They're actually very comfortable because they're designed with your posture in mind. Like these seats apparently are more uncomfortable in the long run than these ones. Yeah. But this is still badass because it's manual, bro.
Won't fit though.
Yeah.
My butt won't fit in that.
And he's got the fire extinguisher too. That's awesome.
It's a nice touch. Eh?
Yeah, that's beautiful. So we got a LaFerrari that showed up. Canals GT. with the nice rims.
I'm sure.
Turbo S. Yeah, the launch control is in the middle, eh?
Fucking wild, bro.
Oh, sorry, man.
How'd you like it?
Bro, I wasn't even driving. It felt like I was driving this road.
I could hear by the revving, bro. I was like,
It has a little arcade mode.
Yo, that shit is crazy, bro.
it's a Mustang GT. It's pretty spacious. Yeah.
No, it's pretty tight, but
It's one of a Mustang GT EcoBoost.
how do you fit stuff under? It's actually very small. I think, I'll be honest with you, I don't even know how to open it. Actually, no, it's pretty good.
I don't think Oman really fits anything in there.
Maybe a pair of shoes and a hat.
Check it out. That's the trunk space right there. You've never done
There's a
it
latch
before?
underneath, bro.
Yeah, you do this. You're better.
It's right here. Oh, yeah, bam, bro. Where'd it go? Right here.
I don't think
Hold
it's
it.
meant for trunk.
No, it is. Right here.
No, actually, the trunk there's in the back. Oh no, wrong one. The wrong one. I got confused with that, SVJ.
This is what happens when you have too many cars, yo.
It's in the back. I knew I opened this before, but I'm like, yo, I swear there was no storage in here. Oh, there you go.
That's so cute, bro.
That's a cute little trunk you got there, buddy. You didn't put your man purse in there?
Oh, I don't think you can.
The folder barely fits.
Barely.
That was very small.
That's one of a kind car.
Okay. Somebody said.
Yo, I was wondering. I'm like, yo, what's going on with the... Yo, you didn't close.
I don't know.
So, bro, which truck depot are you going to after this? Also, you said out of all these cars, would you like this one?
Yes, I would.
Oh, you would like this one. Why would you like this one? Tell me.
It's a naturally aspirated V8, and naturally aspirated V8, and it's made by Toyota. So
Yeah, but what does that have to do with you wanting the car? Just because it's made from Toyota?
yeah, it's gonna run forever. I can tell you this
See,
forever.
this is a prime example of there's a market for every vehicle.
There's always somebody willing to buy something.
Yeah, there's always this guy willing to buy this. It's a good car though. I was just joking around. But I mean, there is a Maserati MC20 right beside it as well, and that's a nice car too. Yeah. Oh, very nice car. Argentina? What? What in the world? That's interesting.
And I can assure you, the interior in this one is next to none. Maybe some of the Porsches are.
You know
better,
what you
but-
need? You know what you need? You need a Rolls Royce, bro. Yeah.
That's
But if you're
not
looking at
true.
interior and V8s, at the end of the day,
I'm talking about
you're looking for
interior.
luxury.
That's true. That's
You like big body. You like the big booty.
I like it to be red and
on his back.
That's a nice car right there too. NSX. That's a nice color on that Alpha, yo. What's this? Oh, BMW. Oh yeah, look at that. GT3. That sounds nice, bro. Woo! Hold on, let that car come. I want to see that car too. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Yeah, why is that too? Woo! This is nasty. Look how nice that sounds. Rev it.
As soon as he said he dropped the neutral.
Alright guys, everybody's leaving now. All the cars getting out.
See Angelo
Drive safe. I'll text you. Okay.
Not bad, guys. Ask your friend to do like a race mode.
It's on race mode, right?
Or maybe go up and then come down.
No, why would I do that? That's what I thought. Ask him what he does for a living. What do you do for a living, bro?
Hey, I sell
Sell
mangoes.
what? What? Sell mangoes? Oh my god. Alright, it's time to go home. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Say bye to Balu and Adi. Alright, enjoy your trucking today. Alright guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Hope you guys liked the video. We're headed out now. Everyone's gone. And just time to go home, rest up, take it easy. See ya. Alright, these guys are doing a photo shoot with the Ford GT. Well, we're gonna just come at the side. And we're doing the photo shoot.